In the show to make you Becky acquainted the rest of the guys right now. I'm going to start by here on my right with the young man who hails from the beautiful Shenandoah Valley, Virginia. Ladies and gentlemen, would you welcome on keyboards from Roanoke, Virginia, Shannon Wickline. We picked this next gentleman up in Tuscaloosa, Alabama, 42 years ago. He's been a very intricate part of the music we have created and recorded and performed since then. Ladies and gentlemen, would you say good evening to the veteran in the outfit from Holt, Alabama, on bass guitar, Charlie Hayward. Our drummer is from Soddy Daisy, Tennessee. Now, if you don't know where Soddy Daisy, Tennessee is, don't worry about it, because I've been living in Tennessee for 50 years and I don't know where it's at. I'm not even sure he even knows where it's at anymore. Ladies and gentlemen, notwithstanding, would you please welcome our drummer from Soddy Daisy, Tennessee, Mr. Ron Ganaway. I'm sure you've all decided for yourself that the young man who stands on my immediate right is a fine guitar player. Yeah. We're going to let him show off a little bit for you right now. You ready to show off? You can do a song for you you've been hearing all your life, but you've never heard it played like this. Ladies and gentlemen, doing the William Tell Overture, would you welcome from Peoria, Illinois, Chris Weimer.